Cleaning your guitar not only makes it look nicer, but it also helps keep it in a better playing condition for longer. So today I'll show you how to fully clean your acoustic guitar step by step. To clean your acoustic guitar, you're going to need some guitar polish, some fretboard oil, fret polishers, a clean lint-free microfiber cloth, and an ordinary pencil. I've linked everything that you need in the description down below. Now, before you start, I really recommend fully removing your guitar strings and then having a new set ready for when you finish. And the reason for that is old guitar strings are quite grubby, so they're probably just going to transfer dirt back onto your guitar when you've finished and undo all of your hard work. Now, if you're worried about restringing your guitar, I've got a video showing you exactly how to do it up here. So to clean your guitar, start by wiping it down with the clean microfiber cloth to remove any surface level dirt and dust. You don't have to be too thorough here, just a quick surface level clean is all you need. Once it's wiped down, we're going to polish your guitar's frets to get them nice and shiny. Take your fret polishing cloth and just work across each fret one at a time until you reach the end of the fretboard. Next, take your fretboard oil and apply a little bit to each space on the fretboard, just enough to lightly coat it. You don't want it to be dripping wet. Let it soak in for a minute, and then wipe away any excess using a clean part of your microfiber cloth. The oil not only conditions and hydrates the wood, but it'll also break down any of that built up dirt, so it makes it easier to wipe away. Do the same on your guitar's bridge, because it's also important to keep that clean and hydrated. Now, if you have any built up dirt that won't budge, you can wipe it away using grade 0000 steel wool. This is fine enough that it won't scratch the fretboard, but coarse enough that it lifts that dirt away. Now apply some guitar polish to the body of your guitar, and we're going to start with the top. You'll want to use a product that's specifically designed for guitars. You don't want any household cleaner, because these can contain silicone which builds up on your guitar, or some chemicals that might damage the wood. Apply a few blobs across the guitar, and then wipe it down to spread it across the wood. Once it's spread, leave it for a minute until it becomes a little bit hazy, and then buff it out with a clean part of your cloth. Repeat this on any other part of your guitar that has a finish, so the headstock, the back of the neck, the back of the body, and the sides. Now, take the pencil and rub it onto the slots on your guitar's nut. This will lubricate the nut slot, which will help the strings move more smoothly, which will improve tuning and string stability. Finally, I like to give the bridge pins a little clean with polish just to help remove any grime from them. And I also buff out the tuning heads too, as they get a little bit greasy. And that's it, your acoustic guitar is now clean and ready for a fresh set of strings. Let me know how you got on in the comments down below, and subscribe for more guitar tips. Thank you.